In this video, I'll show you how to create a survey. You can start by choosing a template to move faster, or create a survey from scratch for a clean starting point. For this walkthrough, I'll start from scratch so you can see the full process. You can start by editing the title and description of your survey. Then, adjust the button copy and its styling. And choose whether you want to add an image. When you start from scratch, you'll get a clean and simple survey to begin with. You can easily remove the default fields and questions, and add new elements that match what you want to collect. There are lots of elements you can add to your survey, but in this example I'll keep things simple. As you add elements, you can also adjust their layout. For example, you can set an element to half width, which lets you place two elements side by side on the same line. After you've added your elements, you can reorder them anytime to get the flow just right. Once you've finished setting up your survey content, you can move on to design. In the design section, you can adjust the size and display of your survey. You can also tweak the background and border, like changing colors or rounding the corners. From here, you can adjust input layouts, field styles, colors, and sizes. This is also where you can choose to launch the survey from a button, or edit the page layout if you decide to create a multi-page survey. After finalizing the styling of your survey, you can move on to notifications. This is where you can add your email address to receive a notification whenever someone fills out your survey. You can also set up an autoresponder email for your visitors once they complete the survey. When you enable it, click Customize Email to open the email editor, where you can adjust the design and copy. Once you're done, save and close the editor, and your autoresponder will be active. Next, you'll configure your submission behavior. This is where you can control what happens after someone submits the survey, such as showing a success screen, redirecting to another page, or choosing other submission actions. After that, you can adjust submission limits. Here you can prevent multiple submissions from the same IP address, set a deadline, or limit the total number of submissions. The last step before publishing is connecting any integrations you want to use, such as Shopify customers, Klaviyo, or Google Sheets. Once that's done, you're ready to publish your survey. Click Publish, choose the pages where you want the survey to appear, copy the app ID, and select Install to Theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor, where you'll paste the app ID, save your changes, and you're all set. Your survey is now live and ready to collect responses.